Listen, you have been cleaning your windows wrong. And I don't mean incorrectly, whatever way you choose to clean them, as long as they get clean, that is correct. But I'm gonna make your life so much easier. You need one of these. My husband's gonna be so excited I'm cleaning the windows today. Usually that's his job. Listen, these are on sale for Amazon Prime Day. You're gonna take any microfiber. It could be a dollar store microfiber, doesn't matter. Go, just get this window wet in any way you want. If there's a spot that has like a little bit of, you know, more kid gunk, you're gonna rub a little harder. Say hi to the puppy. And it doesn't matter which direction you can go. You can be terrible at this. Then you're gonna take your e-cloth, okay? These are special window cleaning ones. I've heard there are some other brands that do them now, which is awesome, but the e-cloth ones are on sale for Prime Day today. That's why I'm telling you about them, because now's the time to grab them. They're on a really, really good price. And then you're gonna take this and you just like wipe off the wet. Again, any direction you choose. You can go in circles, you can go up and down. You don't have to do it any sort of special way to get spanking clean windows, okay? And there are no marks, there are no streaks, no matter which direction you wipe. So you could be the worst window cleaner in the world and you will do a great job. This is also great if you have small children, because then you can let them clean the windows themselves without having to worry about them using like harsh chemicals or using like, you know, making a huge mess and leaving streaks all over your window and having it be worse than when you started. I am a huge fan of these. I've been using them since 2017. I looked up in my order history. I didn't just know that off the top of my head. The other things that I would recommend picking up from e-cloth today are their dusting cloths. I don't really dust, but my husband does, and he is a huge fan of these. Again, this one you don't even need water, no product. You just rub it over and like it statically picks up so much dust. It's insane. We love these. And let me show you. So this is a cloth that we've had since like 2017, okay? Look at the state of it, all right? Like a little bit, there's maybe a bit of a stain. We made the error of thinking that all microfiber cloths were created equal. And so when we moved to Canada, we're like, okay, let's add some to our stash. Since my mother-in-law took our e-cloths when we moved, she took almost all of them except for like one or two, which is fine. But like, look, we bought this cloth like 6 months ago. We regularly wash them in bleach. We do all sorts of stuff. And e-cloth, it comes out of the washing machine like very clean if we follow the instructions. These, we have to throw them away within 6 months because they get so gross and dirty. I don't know what my husband used this for. I need to ask him because I've washed it like 3 times now with bleach, like trying to get it clean. Obviously, we're not gonna clean anything with this. That's disgusting. Maybe the car, but ugh. And again, for comparison, like these last so long. They are such high quality. This is the set that my mother-in-law took from us that we bought in 2017. She's still using them. It's 2022. They've lasted a solid 5 years and are still going strong. I also highly recommend the dish cleaning bundle, much more sanitary than using a sponge.